A few months ago, I knew almost nothing about programming. I used it to watch people building apps, websites, games, and even AI. And I always wondered, how did they actually do that? So I decided to stop wondering and start learning. And I am not making this video because I am an expert. I'm making this video because I'm at the beginning of my journey and I want to document everything that I learned along the way. Hi, my name is Thiago, I'm 14 years old and this is the first chapter of my programming journey. I've always been interested with technology. I loved playing games, using computers, but at some point I became more curious about how those things were actually built. Programming really felt overwhelming at first. It really seems like something that only smart people could learn. But the more I researched, the more I realized that every programmer started exactly where I am today. I choose CS50 because it doesn't just teach me a programming language, it teaches me how to think like a computer scientist and how to solve problems. I also learn from YouTube. Whenever I get stuck on a concept, I usually watch different explanations until something finally clicks. One thing I've learned is that programming isn't about memorizing code, it's about learning how to think. Sometimes I spend an hour trying to find out how to fix a bug, and when I finally solve it, I realized that it was just a semicolon. It's frustrating, but it's also part of the process. I'm still a beginner, but I've already learned some really important concepts. I've been learning about variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Programming is a lot less about typing fast and a lot more about thinking clearly. Right now, my focus isn't about building huge projects. I want to really understand computer science instead of rushing through tutorials. Over the next few months, I want to keep improving my problem-solving skills, build my first real projects, learn new technologies, and challenge myself with more complex ideas. And I know this is going to take time. There will be mistakes, moments where I feel stuck, and concepts that are difficult to understand. But that's exactly why I wanted to start documenting this journey now, so I can look back one day and see how much I've grown. This video isn't about showing success, it's about showing the beginning. I'm just a 14 years old who is curious about programming and willing to put in the work to learn. I don't know where exactly this journey will take me, but I am excited to find out, and I hope you will join me along the way. If you enjoyed my video and want to follow my journey, learn programming and a lot of other stuff, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.